Hi! Welcome once again to my integral by trigonometric substitution session. So tapos na tayo sa case number 1, dumako tayo sa case number 2. So ang case number 2 ay, yan nakikita nyo sa screen. Okay? So ang case number 2 ginagamit natin kapag ang isang function consists of a rational expression that it is in the form of x squared plus a squared. Okay? So say for instance, I have here this example. The integral of x over the square root of 9x squared plus 25 dx. Now, okay, so this is an example of function in which we are using the integral by trigonometric substitution, yung case number 2. Kasi, as you can see, we have here an expression inside the radical sign which is in the form of x squared plus a squared. Now, if it is in the form of this, we will use case number 2. So now, in case number 2, we will use substitution x is equal to a tangent theta, in which x is the x variable here and a is the constant. So to get x, we have to find the square root of the first term. We have 9x squared. So ibig sabihin, square root of nyan, square root of 9x squared is 3x. So ibig sabihin, this will become 3x is equal to, ang a natin, to find the a, the square root of 25, which is 5. So this will become 5 tangent theta. And now, let us divide both sides by 3 para makuha natin ang value ng x para dun sa ating x numerator. X is equal to 5 over 3 tangent theta. And then, let's find the derivative of this para naman sa ating dx. The derivative of this is dx is equal to 5 over 3 secant square theta d theta. And now, let's do substitution. So we have the new integral would be, integral of, ang x natin would be 5 over 3 tangent theta over square root of 9. Our x would be 5 over 3, tapos naka-square out. That will become 5 over 3 tangent theta square plus 25. Then dx natin would be 5 over 3 secant square theta d theta. So now, let's evaluate first the expression inside the radical sign. That would become 5 over 3, copy natin numerator, all over the square root of. So we have 5 over 3 squared. So mangyari 25 over 9. Cancel ang 9. So matira is 25 tangent square theta plus 25 times 5 over 3 secant square theta d theta. Then again, let's evaluate again yung nasa loob using the trigonometric identities, or let's factor out first 25. So that will become 5 over 3 tangent theta all over, factor out 25, that will become 25 times tangent theta plus 1 times 5 over 3 secant square theta d theta. So now, we can use trigonometric identities again to transform this into secant square. We need to say, okay, so we can put 5 over 3 sa labas muna para mas madali. 5 over 3 integral of tangent theta times 5 over 3 secant square theta d theta all over. This will become the square root of 25 secant square theta d theta. Okay, so now the square root of 25 secant square theta is 5 secant square. Secant theta lang. So we have to say, also we can put 5 over 3 sa labas, so magiging 25 over 9. 25 over 9 integral of tangent theta secant square theta d theta all over 5 secant theta. Okay, so wala pa ito d theta, ba't may dito? Wala pa yan, sorry, I forgot. Okay, so now cancel out secant here, numerator tayo ng secant theta, and then here we can put 5 to the left side of the integral, and meron tayong 25 doon, makancel. So ito magiging 5. So ang ating numerical coefficient would be 5 over 9 integral of tangent theta secant theta d theta. Okay, so now here, so we all know that that integral of tangent theta secant theta d theta has a standard integral, diba? So the integral of tangent theta and secant theta would be secant theta. So this would become 5 over 9 secant theta. Okay, so since this is in the theta form, we can transform this into x variable. So following this reference, ang ating magiging reference would be here. So ito ay magiging x equal to 5 over, so let us put here. Let us use this one. So we have 3x is equal to 5 tangent theta. Let us divide both sides by 5 para malaman natin kung alin ang opposite and ano ang adjacent. So ibig sabihin, tangent theta is equal to 3x over 5. Ang ating magiging opposite would be 3x. Ang ating magiging adjacent would be 5. And ang ating hypotenuse would be 9x squared plus 25. So following this, secant theta, ang secant theta natin is the opposite of the sine. We have hypotenuse over, the opposite of cosine, hypotenuse over the adjacent. So this will become 5 over 9 times the square root of 9x squared plus 25 over 5. Cancel out the 5. Ibig sabihin, ang final answer natin would be square root of 9x squared plus 25 over 9 plus 3.